Hi, hello. Welcome to Chiguru, the learning road. I am Rashmi here. In my last video, I have explained to you in exercise 13A from second question to 10th question. So now I am going to explain you from 11th question to 16th question in this video. Yes. So 11th question is xy minus ay minus ax plus a square plus bx minus ab. So this is the question what they have given in the textbook. Okay. So how to solve? So here we have to apply the grouping method, right? Yes. Shall we write on the same question as it is? Xy minus ay minus ax plus a square plus bx minus ab. So group. Yes, right. Here, which is the common y? That means x minus a. Here, minus sign. Then which is the common here? A. Then take down x. Always remember, if you have minus sign outside of the bracket, you should multiply inside sign also. So minus into plus. So minus a. I have taken a common. Remaining is a. Okay. Then plus, which is the common b, so x minus a. So this is the grouping, and I have applied the grouping method, and due to the grouping method I have taken the common, right? So in these all three terms you are finding one common factor, which is that, yeah, x minus a. If you have taken x minus a as a common, remaining will be here y minus a plus b. Okay, that means you can write x minus a into y minus a plus b. That means x minus a into y minus a plus b is the common fact or the common factors of xy minus ay minus ax plus a square plus bx minus ab. Right? Yes. So 12th question. Question is 3x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 4x to the power of 2 plus x minus 2. So this is the question. We have to find the common factors, right? So as usual, write the question as it is first. 3x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 2. Right. Now obviously this we have to apply a grouping method. Yes. So group it. Right. Now we'll go for the common in that grouping. Right. Yes. In this two term, which is a common, you will find 3 x to the power of 4. 3 x to the power of 4, right? Yeah. So 3x to the power of 4. That means here which will be the remaining x. Why? Because 3 already taken common. In x to the power of 5, 4 term I have taken and remaining 1 term I have written here. Then here 3 2s are 6. So x to the power of 4 already taken common. So close the bracket. Minus. Here 2 as a common, then x square as a common. Take out the common. 2x square. So remaining will be 2 I have already taken, and in x cube I have taken 2 times. So remaining is 1. Then obviously, as I told you, always minus into plus minus. So 2 2s are 4. X square already taken a common. Then plus. So here no common, right? So if there is no common, I can say that 1 will be the common with that. Yes, if you take 1 as a common, so that x minus 2 will be the remaining factors, right? Yes. So now you will get 3 terms. In the 3 terms, there is a x minus 2 as a common. Is it? Yes. So if you take out x minus 2 as a common and 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 1. If you have taken x minus 2 as a common, remaining is 3, x to the power of 4, the same sign, 2, x to the power of 2, the same sign, and remaining is plus 1. So that means x minus 2 into 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 1 are the common factors of 3x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 4x to the power of 2 plus x minus 2. Right. So this is about 12th question. So we'll go for next 13th. Yes. So 13th question is minus x square y minus x plus 3xy plus 3. So as usual, we have to go for grouping. So again, write down the same question. Minus x square y minus x plus 3xy plus 3. So group that method. Group the terms. And this, which is a common, x minus. Both the side having minus, right? Yeah, minus we have to take a common. Yeah, right. Minus also we have to take a common, and x also we have to take a common. Fine. In these two terms, so 3, only 3 as a common, right? So here minus x, right? Minus x. If you have take out minus x, remaining will be xy, and I have taken minus common. That means minus into minus plus, and here nothing is left, so we can go for 1. Then here plus 3 as a common, then remaining is xy plus 1, right? As there are two terms, you will find it, there are two terms. In the two terms, xy plus 1 are the common factors. Take out xy plus 1 as a common factor, and minus x plus 3 is a remaining one. So minus x plus 3, shall I write? 3 minus x. Yes. So xy plus 1 into 3 minus x are the factors of minus x square y minus x plus 3xy plus 3. So next we'll go for 14th question. 14th question, 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. Right. 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. So that means just interchanging the places will be changed. 6a square minus 3a square b plus 2c square minus bc square, right? 6a square minus 3a square b plus 2c square minus bc square, right? Now shall we group? Yeah, grouping and taking out common 3a square and c square. Taking common out, so 3a square, if you taken common, here remaining is 2 minus, and here b, then plus, again c square as a common, 2, then minus b. So common factors you got, and you can take out as a common. In this two term, 2 minus b as a common factor. So if you write down 2 minus b as a common, then remaining is 3a square here plus here c square. So 2 minus b into 3a square plus c square are the factors of 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. Right. As 15th question is 3a square b minus 12a square minus 9b plus 36. Right. So answer as it is, as we have to write question again. A square b, 3a square b minus 12a square minus 9b plus 336. So obviously we have to apply here grouping method, and if you pair, then in that pair you can take a common factor. So which will be the common factor? 3 a square, right? So 3a square is the common variable. So if you take out the common variable 3a square, so remaining is b minus 3 fours are 12. So a square we have already taken a common. Then here minus 9 we have to take as a 9 common. So if you take a 9 as a common, then remaining is b. Obviously always you should remember outside there is a negative sign, we have to multiply with the inside sign. So minus into plus, minus 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36 and b minus 4 we got a common factor, right? Yeah, b minus 4 is a common. In this term, if you have taken out b minus 4, then remaining is 3a square, and in this term write down minus. If I take b minus 4 as a common, remaining is here b minus 4, 3a square minus 9. So in this, can we take common? Do you find any common here? Right. So what is that? 3. So b minus 4, 3 if we have taken a common, so remaining is a square minus 3. This we can rewrite 3 into b minus 4 into a square minus 3. Right? Yes. So 3 into b minus 4 into a square minus 3 are the common factors of 3a square b minus 12a square minus 9b plus 36. Now the 16th question is x square minus a minus 3 into x minus 3a. So you will find here, so x square minus a minus 3 into x 3a. So multiply x square minus ax minus x into 3, 3x minus 3a. Then obviously we have to remove the bracket, means we have to multiply with the minus sign, right? Minus into plus, minus. That means minus ax minus into plus, minus into minus plus 3x minus 3a. Right. So now can we group? So x square minus ax plus 3x minus 3a. Right. Now shall we group? Let's see. We'll group it and we'll take a common factor. Let's check out we'll get a proper common factor or not. Yes. So group it to group, and here you will find x as a common, x, and here x minus a. So if I take x as a common, then remaining will be 1 time of x minus a. Then here play as a common. If you take 3 as a common, then remaining is x minus a. Right. So now x minus a, x minus a, x minus a and x minus a you got common, right? Yes. So x minus a take as a common, remaining here x, then plus sign plus 3. So x minus a into x plus 3. So x minus a into x plus 3 are the factors of x square minus a minus 3 into x minus 3a. Right. So this is about 16th question.